Smart cars bolts are normally 3. Headlights require the 2.5, as it's just a tad smaller. One, 2, 3, and then this pulls out. Just gotta disconnect those guys. Top panel, you need to make sure the wipers are in the upper position, and they can just slide out and up. The bolts on the bumper are 3/8, and there are 4 of them. They're a little bit tough to crack because I don't think they've ever been moved, but not that bad because, you know, it's a Mercedes. Bolts removed, the bumper slides off along with this, not really cardboard, but more of a plastic material. I don't remember what it's called. And there is a clip on the inside that for the airbag sensors that you do have to remove. There are 2 of them.